switched off, please limit your movements and do not change seats unless speaking to one of the crew. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin and are fitted with baby change tables and smoke detectors. A reminder that smoking, vaping, e-cigarettes are not permitted anywhere on board today's flight. We also recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. When opening an overhead locker in flight, please be careful that items such as water bottles do not fall out, causing injury to you or a fellow passenger. We'll shortly be coming through with our in-flight service. You'll find a menu in your seat pocket which contains a variety of options. We accept all major credit cards. We now also have contactless payment available to on board. You're welcome to order alcoholic beverages, but they're only available for purchase from cabin crew. So please do so responsibly and be aware that drinking of pure and alcohol, including duty-free, is strictly prohibited. Please now sit back, relax and enjoy today's flight. If the crew can be of any assistance, please do not hesitate to ask.